Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. So guys, today we are having another interesting question, and that is on income and expenditure. So the question is, the ratio of income of A to that of B is 5:4, and the expenditure of A to that of B is 3:2. If at the end of the year each saves rupees 800, the income of A is, so we have to find the income of A. So guys, let's start with the solution. So we are having the income of A and B, so that is income of A and B, and that is A:B. So this is the income, and their expenditures are so their incomes are in the ratio, that is 5:4. So hope till here you have understood. And their expenditures are in the ratio, let's take it C:D, and that is 3:2. So these are the income, and this C:D is the expenditure of both A and B. So here in the question it has been asked to find out the income of A. So the savings are, that is, and their saving is 800. So both are having their savings at the end of the year, that is 800. So we have to find out the income of A. So A's income minus A's expenditure is equal to its saving, and that is 800. So here we have A's income, that is in the ratio 5, and its expenditure, that is in the ratio of 3. So this portion is A's incomes and expenditure, and 4 and 2 are the B's income and expenditure. So here we take X. So 5X. So this is 5 A's income. We have taken X minus 3x, and this is the expenditure. So what does it mean? It means from the total income of A, we minus its expenditures, and that becomes is equal to 800. So to have a clear understanding, from the income, if we have minus its expenditures, its savings, and the total it has been saved, is 800. So to find out its income, we have 2x is equal to 800. So hope till here you have got. So X is equal to 800 divided by 2. So here we get the answer, that is 400. So this is A's income. So A's income, that is AX. So that is A's incomes, and that is 5, a 5, and the value of x 5x. So here we get 5 multiply the value of x, that is 400, and we get the answer, that is this is the answer, and it is as well income of A. So hope till here you have understood the question. So thank you very much.